everybody, this is Blandrew from Gamers, Gears, and Geeks. Today I'll be unboxing my Takeda box that I got from Rally Sport Direct. There's not much stuff that they make for my car, so this is one of the very few performance parts that I can get. And I want to make a quick install video later. I want to make a quick unboxing video because I've never done one before, and ready to give it a shot. So let's get started. Trusty knife here. First things first, always the packaging. Put that in there. First thing you get here are the clamps, various sizes, along with bolts, so the hardware you're going to need. Awesome. And then here is going to be your hose line for your intake, the small one and the big one. Then your elbow, where I believe this goes to the pipe to the filter. Another extender, which I believe this one goes inside the box and then to the filter again. Another part here, this attaches to the filter, that goes to the box. And lo and behold, the pipe itself. And you got the nice logo on there. And this is going to be good because I'm actually going to be getting this powder coated later. Actually tomorrow when I take it to my uncle's shop to get powder coated. The color, most of you already know what it's going to be. Other people who don't will be surprised. What else right here? More packaging. And here you got your instruction manual, but probably not going to need to use that. So that goes there. What else we got here? Oh, look at that. License plate frame and stickers. I'll use stickers. I already have a initial D license plate frame, so I'm probably not going to use that one, but still, very nice of them to include it. Even got a little samurai guy in the back there. That's pretty sweet. This is good stuff. This is your box. Now this attaches to your already existing backing that you have on the 2014 and 2010 Legacies and Outbacks. I've actually replaced the backing for your filter there, and so you can use the stock intake ones and then just put this on backward. So that's awesome. Here. And this, I believe, no, nothing out of the box. So put this on there. Find where I put my knife. Here it is. Open this up. I believe this is the filter that comes with it. And I am correct. So there's some more stuff in there too. This guy up here. And there you go. You got your filter. So this thing will go right in here. And that bolts right to the back in there. Sweet. Also, more stickers. There's enough stickers. So that's about it. So that's all the stuff you get. Get it out for you there. That's what you get there. We'll be doing a installation video once I get my piping back from powder coating, and then probably when I get a better day of weather to do it, because it's kind of still winter here, so it's been raining a lot. So once we get a nice clear semi-warm day, I get this back, then we'll install it for you. So thanks guys for tuning in.